Welcome to the rainy heart of the wilderness. Today, we're braving the storm to cook a hot, hearty stew right here in Bigfoot country. Let's get moving.
Nothing stops Bigfoot, not even the pouring rain. This forest is alive, and we're going deeper to find the perfect campsite. This spot is perfect, protected by old trees, close to fresh water, and plenty of space for our fire.
Let's build a shelter first. Staying dry is the secret to surviving and enjoying a rainy night in the forest.
Even in rain, you can find good firewood if you look under dense trees. These stones will help us cook evenly over the flames.
Fire in the rain takes patience and the driest tinder you can find. Watch closely, this is how you bring life to the camp.
Now for the best part, preparing fresh forest stew. These mushrooms and herbs will give it rich, earthy flavor. Out here, waiting is peaceful. Rain has a way of making the forest feel even more alive.
After a long day in the rain, nothing tastes better than hot stew under the stars. Thanks for joining this Bigfoot adventure. Until next time.